This is the main screen for the eMargin tool. Here you can see your texts. You can get to groups that you're a member of, and we'll form groups for the class. Here your texts just takes you to the same page. Now I can use a text that I've already created here, or I can upload or connect a text. So if I upload a text, it goes in here. So I'm allowed to upload a file, fetch it from the web, or copy and paste text in here. So I could browse a Word document. Right now I'm going to use this to get something from Project Gutenberg. So I'm going to fetch from the web, and here I am. So I would go ahead and just search for a book that I might want to use here. So I'll grab Huckleberry Finn, and I'll go to the HTML for the document, and you can see here is our entire book in HTML. We could scroll down and see it all. So from here I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to go back to the eMargin tool. I'm going to paste the link in here and click Fetch. When I click Fetch, it's going to bring in this information from it. It's going to allow me to put further information if I want. I can choose the text portion, and here I can go through and take some of the things out. So maybe I want to not have the full table of contents and all of that, so I can highlight that, delete that, and then we'll start here. So when I complete my upload, it gives me my eMargin editing area. So in here I can scroll down, I can read as I'm going, and so if I wanted to, let's say here, I'll use this, so I'm clicking and just dragging over. So I've highlighted a passage, and so I could put an annotation here, and I can tag this here. So I'll tag this money, for instance. I can change my color of my annotation, and when I go ahead and save it here, and so then that's saved. So now over here you can see my top tags are money because I've only done one. I can go up here and I can click and see the history. So if I have more than one person editing, I can see who was doing which pieces of that. At any time I can ask it to generate a tag cloud. It doesn't do much because there's only one right now. And so I can modify my colors and my annotations and all of that. So I can show only my annotations, I can show everyone's annotations, or I can turn all annotations off. So as I would go through here, I might find another place where there was money or something like that, and so I can anytime I can highlight, add whatever I'm going to add in there. Also, if it's something that I want to connect up with one of these other sites, so I can go to dictionary.com, which is apparently not available right now, but let's say Google. It's copied that text and it's Googling that exact text in there for me. So I can also do connections to Wikipedia and other places. So this is basically the tool. Once we would get set up with everything for group editing, we would add all of the students in the class to this, and everyone would be able to edit all of the texts on their own. And you can see it just kind of pulls right in here, and anytime we wanted to go back in, we would always be able to see our texts. So you can see here's our tags here, and that's how eMargin works.